Hey guys, what's up? It's Gaspar, and in this quick video, I'm just gonna give you guys a little tip trick on a pretty cool tool that you can use that will help your credit increase because you're gonna be able to add your everyday bills to your credit. It's pretty popular, but a lot of you may not know it. All right, so here it is. It's called Experian Boost. Very simple. If you Google it up, you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. And Experian Boost allows you to be able to add your phone bill, your cable bill, your light bill, your water bill, these utilities and bills that you're paying for every month regardless, but you're now able to add it to your credit report. If you're paying these bills on time, regardless, why not have it added to your credit? It's really simple. It's free to activate your account. The easiest way is download the Experian app. You create your account and then you activate Experian Boost. It's going to ask you for some basic information. Go ahead, fill it all out. It's very simple. And honestly, you're going to notice your credit score, boom, go up immediately. And it's a pretty cool tool. I've seen people that their score has gone up 50 points. Some people it goes up less. Just depends how many of your bills you add on there and how much history you have with the bills. That's what it determines how much your score is going to increase. In fact, I even have a client of mine that I was on the phone with her one day and I was helping her set the Experian Boost up, and instantly over the phone, her score went up 62 points. She was like, oh my God, Gas, my score went up 62 points. This is crazy. So there it goes, Experian Boost. If you're not using it, and regardless, you're paying a phone bill, cable bill, utility bill, even a Netflix account. She was able to add her Netflix account to her credit. Why not go ahead and get that added on there and increase your credit score with everyday bills that you're paying? All right, there you have it, guys. If you find the video useful, helpful, go ahead, hit like, share it with friends and family members. I appreciate y'all.